Hello model builders. Today we're looking at the 2010 Monogram re-release of a 58 Ford Thunderbird convertible 2-in-1, part of the car show series. It can be built one of two ways, stock or custom, as you see on this cover. Here are some of the box art side shots. And let's take a look and see what's inside the box. First we have the standard Monogram / Revel instruction book. As usual, we start out with the engine and chassis, and moving on into the interior and body, along with some custom parts for the 2-in-1 option. And the back page shows decal layout and 2 paint jobs, custom and stock. There are 5 or 6 white plastic sprues. Here is the chassis bottom, 2 suspension options, some interior parts, and the engine block and transmission. As you can see, we've got a copyright date of 1964. The mold does not look too bad. A lot of the parts have just minor amounts of flash that needs to be cleaned up. On this tree, got a lot of engine parts and some interior pieces, optional intake manifolds, suspension pieces, rear suspension and differential, exhaust pipes. And again, there's bits of flash here and there. See, next up we got this part of the interior, rear seats, floor. Not sure what this part is. I think it's part of the custom option. Another small tree, wheel backs, visors, steering wheel. This is a custom rear cover with headrest with a lot of seam work that needs to be done, and optional custom seat belts, and it looks like a hood scoop. Let's see, and here's the body. It's a large piece of plastic. Mold's pretty good. I don't see any real seams to be taken care of. They seem to be along the body lines, be easy to clean up. And it looks like this kit actually has opening or positionable doors. More body parts. Got the hard top, the hood, the doors. As you can see, the hinges. And it looks like custom rear fascia or front fascia. Pretty crisp molds. Once again, they got a little bit of flash. Next up is one large chrome tree, very shiny. Looks pretty nice. Got the grill, stock grill, custom grill. Some engine parts, got valve covers, Instrument panels, chrome. Get wheel covers, 2 sets of wheel covers. Got those, and they got these here. Nice and shiny. Got the white wall plastic inserts. Got 5 of them. It's interesting. They only supplied 4 tires. Tires, these are generic tires with no real tread pattern other than ribs. This side is for the white wall insert, and this side smooth black if you wanted that look. And we've got a red tree. Stock taillights, custom taillights. It's pretty clean, clear. Next up are the clear parts. For the custom one, you've got this huge greenhouse. I can't imagine riding that thing with all that sun beating down on you in a bowl. And here is the other stock glass, front and rear. Headlight lenses. A little bit of flash to clean up, as usual. And lastly is the decal sheet. You've got the custom decals for the custom part, white decals for the white upholstery inserts, some chrome trim pieces that go on the side, and 2 sets of license plates. It's upside down. Come on, focus. Apologize for that. There we go. They are both California plates. They got the black plates and the modern 58 T-Bird. And you see there, copyright 2010. And that's it for this preview. It's skill level 2. That seems a little low considering the number of parts in this kit. But it looks like it's going to be a fun build. And I'll post updates later on. Thanks for watching.